Namaste, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Swagatam, Bonjour, Buongiorno, Buonasera, Buonanotte, Qui amore, Kia ora, Boreida, Suprabhal, Shubdinam, Salamat Pagi. Welcome to the 81st day of our Vishwa Yoga Prarthana. 81 days signifies 9 cycles of 9. So 9 into 9 is 81. So 3 minor cycles of 27, 27, 27 coming together in 81. So a very good day to be doing our Vishwa Yoga Prarthana. Let us begin. तद्गणेशाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्। ॐ तत्परं पर्याय विद्महे ज्ञानलिङ्गेश्वराय धीमहि तन्नो गुरुः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ Let us come together and perform our pranava together. Breathing out, breathing in. 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 And a final round, breathing in. Let yourself settle into your comfort zone, your Sukhasthanam, that abode of ease, that place where you can just be, that space that allows you to be yourself without identification, condemnation, or justification. That sweet spot where you can just be, not worried about what people say, think, or do, whether someone will say this or that, unaffected by praise and blame, unaffected by those who like you and those who don't like you, outgrowing the dvandvas, transcending the dvandva, moving into a dvandva atita state, a place where you can just be at ease, a feeling of wholesomeness, completeness, a feeling of being well, a feeling of all the pieces coming together in a state of oneness. From that Sukhasthanam of yours, where you have Sthirata and Sukhata, stability and ease, begin to generate a loving, compassionate, strong, courageous, mindful seed, a seed of aspiration and affirmation, a seed that is a sankalpa, based on a firm foundation, Dhrida Bhumi, and directed towards a higher evolutionary goal, Satkara. Let that sankalpa be inclusive, including all the beings in the cosmos, all inclusive. Finding that sense of oneness that connects each and every one of us together. The same prana is flowing through all of us. The same energy flows through all of us. The same Atma is found in all of us. We are all one. When we start to realize that, when we start to realize that oneness that is our essential nature, the duality, the dichotomy, the friction, the fear, the stress, all of it can drop away. Because when all is one, there is no second. And if there is no second, there is no comparison. If there is no second, there is no fear of the unknown. There is no abhinivesha, there is no stress response. And instead, a sense of oneness, wholesomeness, interconnectiveness, that can be strengthened, a sense of oneness, where we realize we are all indeed one. The same prana, the same Atma. In that sense of oneness, we all come together. Each of the pixels coming together to create that huge, beautiful image. That is what the universe is. Every one of us an essential component of that universe. If one pixel is missing, the picture will not be complete. If one link is weak, the chain will not be strong. If one letter is missing, the word will not make sense. If one ingredient is missing, your recipe will not be as it should be. Every one of us, not just human beings, all life force, all the living beings, we all constitute that wholesome universe. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate. For that Purnam to manifest, we all have to be together. When we come together, we are one. We are at ease. And in that moment, the universal divine blessings pour down on all of us. Every one of us is blessed by each other. May we be blessed, and may we be a blessing wherever we are. May we realize, understand, and manifest Manushya Dharma, our responsibility of being truly human. Transcending the subhuman, manifesting the human, growing into our humane qualities, and finally manifesting our divine potential. May we all be blessed to have that self-actualization and self-realization. And may we enable others to be blessed. May that be the reality. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om. Thank you so much for being with me and making this a wholesome, holistic, universal experience. We are a global family. Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. Yadu Mure Yavaram Kelir. Let us come together, stay together, be together, supporting each other. Thank you so much for being with me. Dhanyavadaha, Shukriya, Grazie, Gratias, Mercy, Thank you, Nandri, Vanakkam. Ciao, ciao, adios. See you later.